Hi guys, it's Lou. What's with the echo?
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. In today's video, we are going to explore anti-aging makeup. Not necessarily the brands that I'm using today, but I'd like to see if there's a difference between regular makeup and anti-aging makeup. And although there are anti-aging lipsticks, which I get, eyeshadows, blush, and probably more, I'm only interested in the foundation part, the part that actually goes onto my skin and either smooths out or disguises my wrinkles or doesn't. So I picked up, it is Confidence in a Compact. And if all I ever needed to get confidence was this, I would have bought it a long time ago. Anyway, this comes in 7 colors and I chose the second lightest. So we're gonna read a little bit about this stuff. It is from IT Cosmetics and this is straight from their website. It says that this stuff is developed with plastic surgeons, not by, with. Confidence in a Compact is your first ever solid serum foundation, blah, 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 full coverage, 50 SPF, which I appreciate. Solid serum foundation. I'm a fan of serum foundation. Wait, no. I'm a fan of solid foundation. Serum solid, same thing. On the website, this is $38, on sale for $32, yet I purchased it at TJ Maxx because it's been around for a while, so it's there now for $20. Also, Physicians Formula. This is Super CC. That's all I can see without my glasses. Color correction and care. Oh, I got this because it says anti-aging on it, as does this. So what I'm going to do is use this foundation and this as powder, and on the other side of my face, my regular foundation and powder, which is also, they're both fit me. All right, so fancy. And it comes with this little thing that, you know, it's like, you know, that spongy stuff, but I am not going to use it because I watched a video on how to use this stuff. I mean, I know how to use it, but how to properly apply it, and they used a brush, which is my preferred method of applying foundation. Right now I can tell you, look how dark that looks compared to my skin. The lady that they show you for the light color, she looks as pasty as I do, but this does not. All right, we're going to do this half with anti-aging and this half with regular old foundation. This looks dark and yellow, so I guess we're not really looking at the color, we're looking at what this stuff does for me in a day. It smells like, I don't know yet, I'll think of what it is. But look how little, I've already screwed it up. That's not very much, but it looks like it's a reusable compact, which I appreciate. Oh boy. Okay, well from here, it looks like it's got good coverage. What I can't tell in this room is the color so well. Now we will put Fit Me on the other side. Just regular old liquid goo. All right, well from here, I really can't tell a difference. They're both equally as shiny. The difference with SPF is this is 18 and IT Cosmetics, it's 50. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Okay, anti-aging color correcting pigments. As a lot of you know, I don't usually wear powder, but I figure since this side is serum foundation and this side is dewy, it's on the bottle, I will just put a little bit. I'm not going to be liberal. There's green, yellow, and nothing. So it's going to correct my color, which I might just need on the IT Cosmetics side. And right away the shine is gone. It's pretty good. And on the other side, Fit Me Loose powder. When I edit this video, I may see something very scary that I can't see right now. So to me, they look the same. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on right now. All right, I am going to go about my day and I will catch you guys on the flip side, probably, I don't know, 3-4 hours, not very long. All right, I'm back and I can't say that I see any difference between the two sides, which is not a bad thing because I really do like Fit Me. And that might be because they are both made for drier skin. Look at my sweater. It looks like, you know, something that's been handed down for generations. Cozy grandma sweater. Well, it's not. I bought it today. Okay, let's look again. You know, both sides have the same amount of foundation underneath my eye. Yeah, I don't know. I might like one side better than the other when I'm taking my makeup off. That's always a good test for whether or not I like makeup, is when I wash my face with soap and when I dry it, how much makeup is actually on that washcloth. So I'm gonna say that anti-aging makeup really is just makeup. You can just put the words anti-aging in front of everything and people like me will purchase it thinking that it will make me youthful. All in all, I have to say I do like this confidence in a compact, but I really didn't notice any change in my confidence today. So in that aspect, I got gypped. Otherwise, I will be using this again. I am happy with what it did to my face and the fact that I can go outside and know that it's 50 SPF, 50, 18. But again, anti-aging, I don't know about that. I think you could probably put a really good moisturizer on your face before foundation and it would be the same thing. Would I pay the original price of $38 for this? No, I still think that's a lot. I still think 20 bucks is a lot for this, but I really wanted to give it a whirl and I did. It's pretty good. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this video on anti-aging makeup versus regular makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.